Hello and welcome to this video. Today we will learn how to schedule employee shifts in our system. To get started, navigate to the Attendance module, then click on Scheduling. Here, you'll see three tabs: My, Subordinate, and All. In the My section, employees can view their own scheduled shifts. In the Subordinate section, managers can view the scheduled shifts of their team members. The All section allows you to create or delete shifts for any employee in the company. To create a shift for employees, go to the All section and click on the Create button. You start by selecting the start date when you want the schedule to begin. Next, you choose the time slot for the work hours. Then, you decide how often this schedule should repeat, whether it's every week or every 2 weeks or more. After that, you pick end date for this schedule and the specific days of the week it should apply. There's also a step feature, which lets you skip days. For example, if you choose a step of 1, the schedule applies on every applicable day. If you set the step to 2, it skips a day between each applicable day. So if I choose to start with Monday as a work day, it will skip Tuesday and apply the schedule again on Wednesday. The software automatically skips non-applicable days, like weekends, if you haven't selected them. Set the start date to the first applicable day when you want the schedule to begin. Let's take an example of a doctor's weekly shift in a hospital. Choose a time slot that covers the doctor's regular working hours, for example, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Select every week for Monday to Friday, so the 8-hour shift repeats every week. You'll also see 2 checkboxes: Work from Home and Rest Day. Enable Work from Home if the employee will work remotely for this shift. This will remove attendance restrictions like geofencing and IP restrictions. Use Rest Day for an optional shift where, if an employee attends, it's counted as a regular day. If absent, it's counted as a day off rather than an absence. After configuring these options, click Next. You can then select employees using various filters such as location, grade, groups, or designation. If you prefer to select employees individually, use the drop-down to choose specific employees. For instance, if you want to create a roster for all employees in the company, select All Employees, click the Search button, move the listed employees into the selected box, and click Next button. You'll then see a preview showing the time slot configuration, shift, and selected employees. Click the Save button, and the system will apply the shifts to the employees. You can click Refresh to confirm that the shifts have been assigned. If you want a separate schedule for every other Saturday for the doctor to work for 24 hours, make a separate schedule for it. Choose a start date, same as before. Then, set the time slot for 24 hours. Choose every week. Set the start date to the first Saturday, when the doctor is supposed to work the 24-hour shift. Set the end date to the final day the schedule applies. Choose the step as 2, so that the schedule applies on that specific Saturday every 2 weeks. Since you've set the schedule to repeat every 2 weeks, the software will automatically skip the Saturdays in between, giving the doctor those Saturdays off. Let me finish the scheduling process. As you can see on the roster page, the system has successfully applied the shifts as configured. The shifts for Monday to Friday are applied every week without any gaps between applicable days, ensuring a consistent 8-hour shift from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. each day. Additionally, you can verify that the system has applied the 24-hour shifts on every other Saturday. This is because we defined the step as 2 when creating the Saturday roster, allowing the shift to occur bi-weekly, with every other Saturday being a scheduled workday. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.